Let me show you how to create this photo manipulation poster in Photoshop. Create new document. Add girl image. Image link is provided in description. Select Quick Selection tool. Select subject. Remove background. Select elliptical marquee tool and make circle. Add solid color. Make copy of girl image. Create clipping mask. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Add layer mask. Use brush tool. Follow settings. Brush unwanted part. Add leaf. Place it accordingly. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Then using elliptical marquee tool, make circle and add solid color to it. Different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, select background and add solid color. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Then add dessert layer. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth. At the end, add clouds. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. And boom, we are done. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel.